Hello, and a warm welcome to all of you in this virtual tour of the Training and Placement Cell of Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar. Between the lush green environment located on the ground floor of Teaching Block 7, TNP Cell is a dedicated career service facilitation center working on almost all fronts of shaping the career of our young students. If we talk about the infrastructure, we have a seminar hall with a seating capacity of 100, which is fully air conditioned and equipped with a projector for pre-placement talk of recruiter companies and various other workshops, seminars, talk shows and interaction programs. Next to the seminar hall, we have an interview room and a GD room. This is group discussion room cum conference room, which is also equipped with a projector and is used for conducting GD rounds during the placement drives for mock GDs for various types of TNP cell meetings. This is the interview room where HR of the companies conduct placement interviews during campus placement drives. The entire TP cell campus is Wi-Fi enabled. These are display boards where all the notices and news of various programs are displayed to motivate the students. Other than these, we do have one director room, one assistant director room, two rooms for clerical staff, separate toilet for boys, girls, and a pantry also. Thank you for being with us on the virtual tour of Training and Placement Cell. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself Pratap Singh Malik, Director of Centralized Training and Placement Cell of Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar. In TNP Cell, we strive for providing all types of career development services to our students. We are basically working on two major verticals, employability and employment. That is, making our students more and more employable and providing maximum employment opportunities to them. If we talk about employability, 9 clubs are working for this under direct guidance of Training and Placement Cell, such as Speakathon Club for organizing weekly group discussion programs and monthly allocation contests to improve the communication skills and confidence of our students. GWOT, that is GGOSNT Weekly Online Aptitude Test Club, providing platform to students for giving online aptitude tests on the weekly basis to sharpen their aptitude skills, which are highly required for each and every career. Coding Club, namely GJUS Coders, for organizing various coding competitions, projectathons, hackathons, etc. for sharpening the programming skills of the students. Very important, Udbhavna Club, for organizing various types of life skill webinars, conducting hard skill and soft skill enhancement programs of short duration as well as long duration through various professional organizations. Under this particular module of the cell, we have organized 1 week FDP program on skill development of employability and entrepreneurship, 4 months e-Karma training program on topics including digital marketing for MBA students, 9 days campus recruitment training program by Rubicon Skill Development Private Limited, Mahindra Pride Classrooms flagship employability enhancement training program, IBM skill build program, and many more. We are also having industry interaction club for arranging expert lectures of industry experts and organizing various industrial visits for increasing the corporate exposure of our students. We do also have SSB club for guiding and training our students who are aspiring to make their careers in the armed forces. Again, very important, Entrepreneurship Club is also there for giving platform to budding entrepreneurs to pitch their new ideas, connecting them with successful entrepreneurs and hand-holding agencies. Internship Club is there to guide the students about various internship opportunities on various platforms such as Internshala, Let's Intern, Make Intern, etc. and weekly internship bulletin as well. We do also have Government Job Club for providing weekly information about various government jobs through weekly bulletin. In addition to these clubs, we do also conduct GATE training programs, employability assessment tests such as MCAT, etc. We also do compile all our activities through quarterly newsletter of TNP Cell, namely TPC Chronicle. We as TNP Cell present on all the social media platforms. Special mention-worthy point about all these programs mentioned by me is that MBA students of all specializations are front runners and active participants of all these programs, which is gradually converting into their placements as well. Thanks a lot. Good day.
Good afternoon to the MBA team. I would like to summarize the structure of the placement cell. All the activity, program, placement drives are managed, scheduled and run by a well-structured network of more than 200 plus student coordinators under the guidance of more than 30 faculty members. There are student coordinators for each club and activities. Every department has its student placement committee, which is being guided and monitored by the department placement coordinator. Through all such efforts, we have been able to help the students to make their careers in reputed organization in the last 4 years. Summer internship is mandatory after second semester of MBA. During this internship, most of the students get the pre-placement offer. Now, if I talk about the placement statistics for the session 2018, 2019 or 2020 pass-out batch. In the 2018 pass-out batch, around 75% of students and around 71% in 2019 and around 85% of 2020 pass-out batch, students were placed in private or government organizations, opted for higher education like PhD, and some of them started their own startup and became young entrepreneurs. Our students got placed in most of the major banks like SDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank, and they are placed in production industries like Jindal Steels Limited. Our students also placed in top edutech companies like Jaro, Byju's, and in product-based companies like Oppo Mobiles, Kamdhenu, and students are placed in top insurance companies like Kotak Life Insurance, ICICI Prudential, SBI Life Insurance, SDFC Life Insurance, and in some top service provider companies like Just Dial, IndiaMart, and in FMCG companies like Lakshya Foods. Thank you very much.